Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, Max and I are doing something very fun. We are going to the cinema.
Hello! I am so excited. I love the movies. I love the big screen and the loud sound.
Going to the cinema is a great way to practice English. You can listen to the actors and learn how people speak in real life. It is like a fun English lesson.
That is true. But first, we need to buy our tickets. Look at the big screen in the lobby. There are many movies today. What do you want to see, Lily?
I see an action movie called The Fast Car, a comedy called The Funny Dog, and a horror movie called The Dark House.
I don't like horror movies. They make me scared. I cannot sleep at night after a scary movie. I prefer comedies or romance movies.
Okay, let's watch the comedy. It starts at 2 p.m. It is 1:45 p.m. now, so we have 15 minutes. That is enough time.
Perfect. Let's go to the ticket counter.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, we would like 2 tickets for The Funny Dog at 2 p.m., please.
Certainly. Would you like to sit in the front row, the middle, or the back row?
I like the middle. It is the best view of the screen. In the front row, my neck hurts.
Okay, 2 tickets in the middle row. That will be $20, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here are your tickets. Your cinema hall is number 4.
Thank you. Now, Lily, we need the most important thing, snacks.
You are always hungry, Max. But you are right. The cinema is not the same without food.
Let's go to the concession stand. I can smell the butter.
Hello, what would you like to eat?
I would like a large popcorn, please. Do you have salt or caramel?
We have both. We also have butter.
Can I have half salt and half caramel, please? With extra butter?
And I would like a medium soda. A cola, please.
I want a large bottle of water. And some chocolate.
Okay. 1 large popcorn, 1 medium soda, 1 water, and 1 bag of chocolate. Anything else?
No, thank you. That is everything.
That is $15, please.
I will pay. Here is my card.
Okay, we have our tickets and our snacks. Let's find hall number 4.
Hall 1, Hall 2, Hall 3. Here it is. Hall 4.
Look at the tickets, Max. What are our seat numbers?
It says seat G12 and G13.
Okay, let's go inside. It is very dark.
Use your phone flashlight, Lily. G, G. Here is row G. And here are seats 12 and 13.
Great. Sit down. These seats are very comfortable.
Oh, the previews are starting.
Previews are the trailers for other movies coming soon. I like watching them to see what is new. It helps me choose my next movie.
Look at that movie. It has a giant robot and a spaceship. I want to see that next month.
Shh, Max. You must be quiet in the cinema. People want to hear the movie, not you.
You are right. Sorry. I will eat my popcorn quietly now.
Wow, that movie was so funny. I laughed so much. My stomach hurts from laughing.
Me too. The dog was very smart. My favorite part was when the dog drove the car to the park.
That was impossible, but very funny. Did you understand the English?
Most of it. Sometimes they spoke very fast, but the pictures helped me understand the story.
That is the secret. If you don't understand a word, look at the action on the screen. It is great practice for your ears.
Let's check the floor. We must not leave our trash here. We must be clean.
Good job, Max. Let's take our popcorn bucket and the soda cup to the trash can outside.
Lily, what is your favorite type of movie?
I love animated movies, like cartoons. They are very colorful, and the English is usually simple for students.
I like science fiction movies about space, aliens, and the future.
Friends, let's learn some movie words together. Ticket, the paper you need to enter. Popcorn, the classic cinema snack. Screen, the big white wall where you watch the movie. Row, the line of seats. Director, the person who tells the actors what to do. Actor, actress, the people in the movie.
Friends, what was the last movie you watched?
Did you watch it at home on TV or at the cinema?
Do you like popcorn with salt or do you like it sweet?
Tell us in the comments. We love to read your answers and help you with your English.
If you liked our cinema trip today, please like the video. It helps our channel.
And subscribe for more real-life English lessons. We have many more stories for you.
Every movie you watch in English helps you become better. Don't be afraid.
Thank you for watching and practicing with us today. You are doing a great job.
Enjoy the movies.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.